Okay, this presentation is on addition, and this is ideal for kids who are 4.5 and up. This has been introduced in the classroom, and most kids know addition, but this is a good practice. So before I start, I tell them addition is putting together of two quantities, and we usually have both our hands out, and we say addition is putting together of two quantities. So hands are apart, and then addition is putting together of quantities, putting together of two quantities. So this is the material that I'm going to use. I have some counters here. You can do various activities with this, but I'm not showing everything. I'm just showing addition today. So counters, the dice, these are the symbols, and I had number cards in here, which are out here right now. I've lined them up already. So the first thing is that they will roll the die. Now, if you do not have a dice at home, you can, just give them a number, and that's fine too. So I'm going to roll the dice, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first number is 5. I'm going to look for my first number here at the bottom, 5. So I bring my 5 out, and I'm going to count 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to place my addition symbol right here. Addition plus. Now I'm going to roll the die again for the second number, which is also called the add end. I'm going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need the numeral 6. I'm going to look for it. And I'm going to place the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next symbol here is called equals, or is equal to. So this means that this side is equal to what's going to be on this side. Now we know this symbol means addition, putting together. So I'm going to put together this quantity with this quantity. So I'm going to count it together. I'm going to move it on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to look for the number 11. I'm going to try and read this now. I'm going to read this statement. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay. Or when you put together 5 quantities with 6 quantities, you get 11. The sum is 11. Okay. So this is my presentation, and we've also been writing it down. So noting it down on, a piece of paper also helps. So, just a clipboard or book, whatever that they use, they go ahead and write the equation. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Okay. So you can practice this at home. If you have any questions, as always, please ask. Thank you.